फूफा जी के बारे में बोलने के पहले बहुत से इमोशंस आते हैं। फूफा जी जाने के बाद मैंने कई लोगों को उनको सूचना देने के लिए फ़ोन किया। जिसको भी फ़ोन किया, कोई बुज़ुर्ग, मेरे से भी बुज़ुर्ग थे, कोई छोटे थे, कोई मेरे बराबर के थे। सबका कहना था कि काशी बाबू के साथ मेरा बड़ा स्पेशल संबंध था। मैं और विमला उनके साथ वृंदावन गए और उनकी केयरिंग देखी। सुबह से शाम तक वो ध्यान रखते थे किसने क्या खाया, उसके लायक सब खाना बना कि नहीं बनाया। रोज सुबह कोई प्रोग्राम बना लेते थे कहीं घूमने का। हम लोगों के लिए वो हॉलिडे बहुत ही मेमोरेबल रही। मेरे मन में बहुत कुछ है और सारी अच्छी बातें उनके लिए याद आती हैं, मगर मैं इसको यहीं समाप्त करता हूँ और अपने श्रद्धांजलि और प्रणाम फूफा जी को समर्पित करता हूँ।
भैया जी की मैं बहुत इज्जत करती थी। भैया जी बहुत हम सबका ध्यान रखते थे। मैं कुछ भी बनाती थी तो उनको भेजती थे तो बहुत खुश होते थे और हमको बोलते थे कि बहुत अच्छा लगा, और खाते थे, बहुत अच्छा लगता था हमको भी उनको भी। बस।
काशी भैया के स्वर्गवास का दुख हमारे सभी परिवार को है। उनके रहने से हमारे परिवार में रौनक शान बढ़ती थी। वो मेरे लिए पिता समान थे और उनसे मेरे को कई बात सीखने को मिली। मेरे उनसे कई बातों में विचार विमर्श होती थी और हर समय कहते थे कि तुम सही बोल रहे हो। प्रभु से मेरी प्रार्थना है कि उनकी दिग्गत आत्मा को सदगति प्रदान करे और हमारे सभी परिवार को धैर्य बना रखे। ओम शांति शांति शांति। पिता तुल्य थे मेरे भैया, खेरिया परिवार के थे एक सुदृढ़ स्तंभ।
रखा सर्वदा सबका ख्याल, फिर भी नहीं किया कोई दम।
आपने लड़कपन में अनुशासन का ज्ञान कराया हम सबको। कैसे भूल सकता हूँ जब मैं था अस्वस्थ, जिगर से लगा कर रखा था मुझको।
अनंत यात्रा के हे पथिक, अर्पण करते हैं हम भावनाओं के पुष्प, श्रद्धा के सुमन।
हे श्री चरणों में विलीन दिव्य आत्मा, आपको शत बार नमन,
शत बार नमन, शत बार नमन।
पूज्य बाबूजी, मैं 45 वर्ष पूर्व आपके आंगन में नववधू के रूप में आई। आपके स्नेहिल बरगद की छांव में इस परिवार को फलता फूलता देखी। आपका व्यवहार और व्यक्तित्व हम सब के लिए प्रेरणा का स्रोत बन गया। आपके भीतर का कवि सदा आपकी बातों में झलकता था। आप सदा प्रसन्न, हंसमुख और जिंदा दिल इंसान थे। इस संसार में सचमुच आप इस संसार में अतिथि की तरह आए, रहे और अपने गंतव्य में समाहित हो गए। आज आपके चले जाने से जीवन में जो खालीपन आया है उसे भरना बहुत कठिन है। हम सब योग की इस बेला को स्वीकारते हुए आपकी मधुर स्मृतियों के साथ आपके सिखाए पथ पर अग्रसर होने का प्रयास करते रहेंगे। आपको शत शत प्रणाम बाबूजी।
मुझे अब भी विश्वास नहीं होता कि मेरे प्रिय बाबूजी का स्वर्गवास हो गया है। हर सुबह उनका फ़ोन करना एक ऐसी रस्म बन गई थी कि अब भी सुबह जब फ़ोन बजता है तो मुझे ऐसा ही लगता है कि उनकी ही कॉल है। मैं ये सोच कर भी काँप जाता हूँ कि अब वो नहीं रहे। जब मैं पीछे मुड़ के देखता हूँ, मुझे सच में आश्चर्य होता है कि मेरे बहुत सारे गुण उनकी ही देन है। वो समय के बड़े पाबंद थे और बहुत ही डिसिप्लिन से अपना जीवन व्यतीत करते थे। उनका यह मानना था कि बचपन में पढ़ाई पर जोर दिया जाए। उसका सुफल आज भी मैं प्राप्त कर रहा हूँ। जब हमने काम पे जाना शुरू किया तो उनका एम्फेसिस था कि हम 8 बजे ही निकले ताकि दूसरों को इंस्पायर कर सकें। उनका मोटो था कि डिसिप्लिन टॉप से ही आता है। इन सीखों ने हमें मजबूत और अनुशासित बनाया है। पिछले कुछ महीनों में कोविड के कारण हम उनके साथ अधिक समय बिताने का सौभाग्य प्राप्त हुआ, जिससे उनके साथ लगाव और भी बढ़ गया। मुझे उनके साथ बिताई हुई छुट्टियाँ दार्जिलिंग, गोपालपुर, राजस्थान, वृंदावन सब याद आ रही हैं और हमेशा याद आती रहेंगी। मेरा एकमात्र अफसोस यह है कि मैं उनके स्वर्गीय निवास के पहले गले नहीं लगा सका। मैं उन्हें बहुत मिस करूँगा और प्रभु से प्रार्थना है कि वो उनको और मेरी माँ की अच्छी तरह से स्वर्ग में देखभाल करे। ओम शांति।
आज से 40 वर्ष पूर्व बाबूजी ने मुझे संगीत कला मंदिर में देखा था और उसी समय उन्होंने निर्णय लिया था मुझे अपनी पुत्र वधू बनाने का। और इस प्रकार मैं खेरिया परिवार की एक सदस्य बनी। बाबूजी को शब्दों में बांधना तो बहुत कठिन है, बिकॉज ही वॉज एन अमेजिंग पर्सनालिटी। जैसे गुलाब की पंखुड़ियाँ होती हैं, वैसे बाबूजी के भी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लेयर्स थे। He had so many layers. गार्डनिंग, ट्रैवलिंग, क्लब्स में प्रेसिडेंट, बीआरसी के संसद के अध्यक्ष रहे, उनका डिसिप्लिन, उनकी पंक्चुअलिटी, उनको और क्या हम कहें, बच्चों में इतना प्रेम रखते थे। He has touched practically everyone who met him in so many ways. माँ के जाने के बाद हमारा और बाबूजी का ससुर बहू का रिलेशन एक बेटी और पिता के रूप में बदल गया था। आई एम सो सैड एंड bereaved that this came to such a sudden end. अभी भी विश्वास नहीं होता है कि वे हमारे मध्य में नहीं हैं। All I can say, he was a man of all seasons, a true karma yogi. Hari Om.
Abuji, despite of being physically around you, so much has been left unsaid. You've gone too soon, keeping in mind your zest for living. I have always looked up to you and Ma as my constants. You have left a void which will never be the same again without you. Your carefully tended garden already misses you. But I know that you are in a better place, peacefully enjoying your reunion with Ma. Your memories will continue to inspire me.
Dear everyone, I would like to share my childhood memories of Tauji with you all. He was the one to encourage me to do all the extracurricular activities like swimming, theatre, music, and many more. I also remember him taking me for dinners and teaching me table manners too. He helped me in building my personality. I thank him for whatever he has done for us, and we will miss him. Love, Sudhi.
On 13th of June, we lost the most important pillar of a family, my Tauji. Tauji, your legacy will stand as tall and strong as a person you were. Tauji, you have instilled so many lovely values in us. Say it being social, say it being disciplined, be it taking care of your health and respecting elders, and teaching me swimming. I can't forget, which is not be possible without you, Tauji. Today, the way you looked after the garden, it's the most beautiful garden in Calcutta. It's all because of you. In today's time, when people have notes in their mobile phones and they have so many agendas, I remember Tauji years back, he used to have a briefcase, and in that he used to have a small diary, and where he used to write everything, whether whom he's going to meet for tea time, what meeting he has, which club he has to attend, and where he has to, everything was so organized and written. I mean, this was years back.
बाबू हमको छोड़ के चले गए, हम कैसे अब आपको साथ हमको इतना दिन बिताया, हम कैसे रहेंगे, नहीं रहेंगे, क्या करेंगे, हम नहीं।
As tears roll down my face, I know you're in a better place. I close my eyes to see your face, and suddenly I feel a warm embrace. Lives of great men like you remind us we can make ourselves sublime. The body, once departed, leaves behind footprints on the sands of time. Tauji, you'll be deeply, deeply missed.
Tauji is not physically amongst us today, but he's alive through his poetry, his dedication, his principles, and more. He has carved his name not only on his tombstone, but in the hearts of all his family members and friends. Every person that he met has a story with him to share. I can never forget his honest appreciation for all the little creative things that I did from the day I came into this house. Thank you, Tauji, for the warmest welcome into this family. Please accept my sincere regards from wherever you are. Pranam.
Dadu, whenever I used to come to Kheria house, you would greet me with an affectionate smile and give me the most beautiful and blossomed flower of all. I miss having the scrumptious and delicious children with you and the mini walks in the garden with you. I wish Aryan could spend more time with you and play with you. Love you.
So much to say and a time limit of just 45 seconds. Dadu, ever since you're gone, I've been getting condolence messages from so many of my school friends who often mistook you to be my father. And why not? How fit you were. I'm hating to say all this now in past tense. They say people don't last till eternity, but you surely will. For all the values that you have inculcated in all of us, you have been a guiding light, one of a kind, and much ahead of your times. Dadu, God saw you getting tired, and a cure was not to be. So he put his arms around you and whispered, "Come to me." A golden heart stopped beating, and tired hands were put to rest. God only broke a heart to prove that he chooses nothing but the best. I know you would have been much happier had I expressed the same thing in Hindi. We really miss you. We really love you.
Dadu, as much pain I feel to have lost you, I also know you're happy and content with this legacy you have left behind. When I look back, I remember those days when we would await in anticipation for you to visit us, and all of us would be on a weight loss diet. Now I realize how important that was and why. Why did you treat us to the most expensive ice creams in London and didn't allow us to drink Coke? Your teachings are engraved in my heart forever, and it will be my biggest regret of not being able to meet you one last time and make you meet your granddaughters. Never said it, but I love you and I will miss you a lot. May you be the brightest star in the sky and shine upon us always.
There are so many memories with Dadu that I don't know where to start. Even to this day, when I meet someone and tell them my name, the first thing they ask me is, am I related to Kashiji Prasad Kheria? And I proudly say I am his grandson. Dadu has been an amazing grandfather, from teaching us Gayatri Mantra to taking us for holidays to Puri. He was always such an inspiration and always tried to imbibe in us the values of discipline and hard work. Probably the only time we got into trouble with Dadu was when we would play cricket in the garden and ruin his chances of winning the Agri-Horticulture garden competition. More recently, Dadu became a great grandfather and really lived up to that. Over the last few years, we became much closer to him because of his fondness for Ruhani and Sanvi. And as a result, we ended up spending a lot of time with him. COVID and the lockdowns were a blessing in disguise, as we would often go to visit him. He would be sitting in his usual place in the veranda, and the kids would love to sneak up behind him and scare their beloved big Dadu. We were fortunate enough to visit Vrindavan with him in the last couple of years, which were a treasure trove of memories. Dadu, you were always the anchor that kept the ship steady, and we will really, really miss you.
My dearest Dadu, for now. I don't think words can do justice to what I feel for you. You have always been so warm, so kind, and have this innate ability to make everyone feel so special. You are a gardener in the truest sense of the word, and not because you tended to your garden with so much care, but because you watered and nourished us all with wisdom and a sense of right and wrong. You provided shade, guidance, and support to family and friends alike. And today, we enjoy the fruits of the seeds of discipline, benevolence, and love that you have sown. Dadu, I remember our morning walks in agri-horticulture. That's when I first started spending a lot of time with you. Your views on everything were so forward and well-balanced. I really miss spending time with you. You sitting in your chair in the veranda or walking around in the garden, speaking so heartfully about all the different plants and flowers there, with each giving us invaluable lessons that I will hold true to my heart for life. Our trips to Vrindavan were memories for a lifetime, and I'm so grateful to you for letting me have them with you. I will miss your hugs, I will miss your laughter, and I really hope you're well, Dadu.
Dadu, in many ways, was a highly evolved person. He was firm, yet flexible, deeply principled, yet could see the other side. Modern and forward-thinking, yet deeply rooted. My memories of Dadu spans across my childhood while growing up and in the more recent years. While growing up, my most vivid memory is him chasing us away from the garden while we were playing cricket. While growing up, I remember we used to have a lot of discussions around my career, about further education, what I should do later on in life. And in more recent years, I think Dadu and I formed a very strong bond where we used to have a little discussions, arguments about everything under the sun. He opened up to me and I saw sides of him which I'd never seen before. I feel very grateful for all the time that I got to spend with him. My wife Mansi and I were discussing the other day that the best way to celebrate someone's life is to embody one principle or one thing that you learn from them. And for me, that is the physical and mental strength that Dadu possessed. And I will continue on the journey that Dadu has laid out for us. We will really miss you, Dadu. But I'm also sure that wherever you are, you will be guiding people. A lot of people will be benefiting from your presence. And I'm sure that they will be a lot happier with you around. Take care wherever you are, Dadu.
Pranam, Dadu. It's amazing to remember you from the very first time that I met you. You have consistently been a source of inspiration with your discipline and the strong principles that you abide by. It's, the mornings in Calcutta always started with seeing you on your chair, and I know I could sit down and talk to you about anything in the world, and it always amazed me how insightful your questions were regarding what work I do, what is going on in the world, about how relationships are changing, and it's just amazing how ahead of your times you thought and how open you were to discussing anything that mattered. So just I feel so blessed to have the chance to spend that time with you. I will always cherish those memories. I'm making this video in your room, which is also very poignant for me, and I'll remember the first time I entered your room and sat on the sofa, how warm you were, how it felt like home from the first time I met you. And I'm so happy to have had you in my life, and hope that wherever you are, you bless us with your good skills and values. Thank you so much, Dadu, for being part of our lives.
Dadu always had an amazing personality. Like, even his presence filled the entire room. He always remained very healthy. He had a willingness to remain fit. He always took care of his plants. Even when I used to play cricket, he used to always come at 4 p.m. to take care of his plants again. And it will never be the same playing cricket again in Kheria House, and we will always miss you, Dadu.
Om Bhurvasvaha Tatsavitursvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimai Dhiyo Yuna Prachodayat. We love you, Big Dadu. We love you. We love you. We love you.
अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम् अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम् कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं, तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं। अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरं रामनारायणं